Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some cloudy skies with some light rain showers just west of the area and moving the region the next half an hour or so. And see these rain showers last until about noon or just after noon today, and then we should see some clearing conditions across the region. Also going to see some breezy conditions today. Temperatures warming into the lower 60s this afternoon, so overall a fairly decent day this afternoon. However, it will be breezy with wind gusts possibly up to 30 knots for the afternoon hours. Our sounding this morning, we have a freezing level at 10,300 feet. Winds were out of the southwest throughout the low levels up until 12,000 feet, ranging from anywhere from 20 knots to 44 knots up to 12,000 feet. Seeing a peak wind this morning out of the west-southwest at 65 knots at 25,000 feet. Looking at our current surface analysis, we have a warm front that moved through the region earlier this morning. We have a band of prefrontal showers that are going to be moving through the region next half an hour to an hour. And we'll have a cold front crossing the region as we move into later on this afternoon, this evening. And that'll provide us with some cooler and breezy conditions for our Thanksgiving Day. All thanks to this strong area of low pressure across the Great Lakes. It's going to be continuing to move off to the east and to the north tonight and tomorrow. Looking at our current satellite imagery across the region, we're seeing cloudy conditions out there. And see that mid-level cloud cover across the region, and seeing some lower ceilings down to possibly 2,500 feet for this afternoon before this cloud cover really starts to clear out for the late afternoon hours. Looking at our current radar imagery, seeing some rain showers moving over the Chesapeake Bay towards the Wallops region this morning, and I continue to see that for the late morning hours into possibly the early afternoon hours. You can see these rain showers are moving fairly quick, and they're not as much rainfall associated with this system as was anticipated this morning, so most likely going to see those rain showers over by about noon. Looking at our HER model and the derived reflectivity, you can see some rain showers. Here's 11 a.m. or 11 local. You can see some rain showers moving through, and then by noon and then 1300 local, possibly seeing a brief light sprinkle to end the precipitation, but most likely just some clearing conditions afternoon today. And moving into this evening hours, we'll see that cold front moving through, seeing some precipitation and some cloudy conditions across Pennsylvania, but over the peninsula we're just seeing clearing skies, some breezes picking up out of the northwest with cooler air filtering into the region. Looking at our European model for next 2 days, here's this afternoon into this evening, seeing that cold front move through this area, low pressure, moving across New England with some snowfall across Maine, but across the mid-Atlantic states we're just going to be seeing some windy conditions for tonight into tomorrow. And I see that area low pressure continue to move off the New England coast for our Thanksgiving Day, and seeing those breezes out of the northwest possibly gusting up to 40 miles an hour on Thursday. We'll see those temperatures in the lower 50s for highs for Thanksgiving. Then for Friday, we'll see high pressure build in from Canada. That's going to provide us with cooler temperatures, below normal temperatures across the region. Lighter winds on Friday, and then Saturday we'll see a area high pressure starting to move away from the region over New England, while a warm front moves towards the area. That should provide us with below normal temperatures once again, as we'll have a good amount of cloud cover in the afternoon hours, and even a possibility of a rain shower as we move into late Saturday evening, and then we'll see that rainfall really start to move into the region for Sunday, looking like a likely day of rainfall across the region. Temperatures warming in the evening hours on Sunday, and we'll have an area low pressure develop over New England on Monday as a strong upper level disturbance moves through the region on Monday, and that could provide us with some rain showers, cooler conditions, and seeing some unsettled conditions across New England with possibly a winter storm shaping up for them on Monday. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have about a 30% chance of that rainfall this morning, and the possibility of seeing that just afternoon today, but looks like those chances for the afternoon hours have been reduced with this timing of the system quickening for the afternoon hours. We'll see those winds up to 30 knots this afternoon and the overnight time period. We'll see southwesterly winds this afternoon turning northwesterly tonight. Have a high of 61 degrees today, 44 for our overnight low. Looking at our next 24 hours for our terminal forecast, we'll see those rain showers in the region with a possibility of a broken deck at 300 feet with those 3,000 feet, excuse me, with those rain showers. Then we'll see improving conditions in our skies, seeing just some mostly clear to clear skies for the overnight hours. Our tides are currently normal, and looking at Thanksgiving Day and Friday, we'll see partly cloudy and windy conditions, wind gusts up to 40 miles an hour, high of 52 degrees, a red for our winds on Thanksgiving. And for Thursday night, we'll see partly cloudy, breezy, and cold conditions, a low of 33. We're seeing those winds at 25 knots or greater in the early overnight hours. And then Friday, we'll see partly cloudy, chilly, and slightly breezy conditions, a high of 47 degrees, a green chart across the board for Friday. Looking at the next 7 days, we'll see 47 for Friday and Saturday. Saturday, we'll see that slight chance of a rain shower late in the day. Timing of that system has slowed from previous forecast in the week, so looking like a 20% chance of that occurring, most likely in the late evening hours. And we'll see that rain likely on Sunday, a high of 56 during the evening. Will be a fairly dreary and just overall a wet day for Sunday. And then Monday, we'll see a chance of rain showers with that strong upper level disturbance pivoting through the region, and we'll see a high of 46 degrees, a 40% chance of some rain showers, mainly during the morning on Monday, but cannot rule out some rain showers in the afternoon. And then Tuesday, we'll just have below normal temperatures, highs in the mid-40s, breezy conditions under partly cloudy skies as a area high pressure builds in behind the departing area low pressure off New England. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great Thanksgiving. We'll be back on Friday morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.